Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be playing the Among Us ripoff. I don't think Among Us is supposed to have this kind of music. So I'm gonna join a game like I did last time. Oops. Okay. What's that? SCP-173. Should I run away? I'm gonna change it to UFO. There we go, I now have a UFO. Is this person friendly? Yeah, they're friendly. No time. You know, maybe I shouldn't have all these clothes on. This guy's copying me. Is this guy following me? Why is this guy following me? Stop following me. The sound of the characters walking is just weird. Whoever made this game, screw them. Oh, another person. 7 out of 10. Murder. So why? Oh, the person left. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Only just they're not invertebrates. Look, the feet. And the feet looks okay. The characters look weird. It looks like they're actually dancing. Oh, he has a pet. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I joined a new server. Yeah, I'm fake burb, just so you know. The walking sounds really weird. I don't think it sounds like this in Among Us. Come on, 2 more players. No! What was that? 7-3. Come on, one more player. It sounds like hiccups. Yeah, so sorry about all that. I'm disconnecting again. I finally found another match that we can finally play once again. I wonder if this video gets a lot of views just like the last one. Yeah. I'm gonna pause until the game starts. Guys, look, I became the box. I can't move though because it's too heavy. But yeah, I became the box. Psych. Oh, okay, I'm gonna become the box again. There, I'm gonna become the box until the game starts. There's nothing happening just yet. It's getting kind of boring. See, this is starting to get boring. Yes, I hope this is a game that finally has a lot of people. Oh, cool, in a different color. Right. Okay, I have no clue what that person said. So I can glitch, look, see. These things are weird. This game is weird. I think it's either from China or Japan. I'm not so sure. In the box again. Hooray. Yes, I hope this is a good game. 7, 8, 9. Yes, let's start one more person, please. He's right there. He's right there. Just please join. Join. Join, please. And these people speak either Spanish or another language. Come on, one more, just please, one more, start. Discussion, no admin, discussion 30 seconds, map 1, type public, tasks 5, detectives 1, killers 2, not players 9 out of 10. Please, I'm more player. Okay, so I just so happened to run into another YouTuber called a Blab. Yeah. Subscribe to him. And I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or not. But subscribe to me as well. Give this video a thumbs up, which I'm pretty sure you will. And for now, I'm going to be hiding. Silently watching. Maybe I'm the imposter or not. Eve. This is a chat message. Hopefully no ads. He speaks Spanish. I speak Spanish as well. Now hold on. Okay, so I didn't get a win at all. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notification. I'll be seeing you guys all next time. Bye.